What happens if you try to cook an entire meal on a computer? To find out, I grabbed a little pan and added some thermal paste on the bottom to put in contact with this CPU. The goal here is to siphon away all the heat from the processor and put it into something like this chicken here. But I know what you're saying. The computer's gonna shut off when the CPU gets too hot. And that's why in BIOS we're going to ignore all of those monitor checks so that our chicken can cook thoroughly. And now we're going to replace that pan with a little pot with some rice in it. This is one of the more difficult parts of this process because water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, which we need to maintain without melting the CPU. I achieved this by toggling on and off pressure tests on the CPU, but there we go, we have cooked rice. The next step is to saute some garlic and some onions, and then once that's ready, add in a pineapple, and then we can add back in our rice and our cooked chicken. And if we add a little bit of sauce here, well, there we go, we cooked an entire meal on a computer. A meal for ants, because this is only like a bite-sized worth of stuff, but it's actually pretty good. I'm surprised the chicken cooked all the way through and that the rice isn't too crunchy, but the main issue is that it just took forever. It took like 2 hours to cook this.